everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tasha. I'm going to give you a quick introduction of who I am and what this channel is going to be about. So, as I said, my name is Tasha. I'm a hairstylist. I've been doing hair for 16 years, and I decided to make a channel, and I'm going to be more active on it this time. But I decided to make a channel because I see there are, even though there are a lot of videos out of hairstyles, everyone offers something different. And there's still a lot of hairstylists out here that still have issues with doing certain styles, or it's always something new that comes out that one person, I guess, didn't explain as well as another person for whatever reason. So, I'm going to have my channel. You're going to see hairstyles on here. It will be hair tips. It will be free things. And I'm going to try to make a video every week. So, stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll be getting to the video soon of how I got this hairstyle. But right now, I want to go over, I will be giving a free item out every week. So this is the bottle of oil. It's a hair growth oil that I'll be having in the video. I normally use this after every client that I do. When I'm braiding them, I use it in my hair. I have videos, as you can see, the before and after pictures. Of people that have used the product and have gotten their hair to grow, gotten their hair just to grow. So how you can win this product is whoever DM or whoever does all of these things first. You must subscribe to my channel, like this video, and DM my Instagram. The Instagram is TTT Hair. It will be posted below this video. Um, and once you do all those three things, I'll announce in the next video of who won the hair oil. So once you do those three things, the winner will be announced in the next video. So on to the tutorial of how I got this hairstyle. So I will be using a crochet needle, hair oil made by TTT Hair, Mayde brand or Mayde brand, and Model. I'll link everything at the bottom in case I forgot to say anything in this video. Excuse this segment of the video. It's only for a second that it's going to be blurry, but I want everyone to see how I put the oil into the hair, or otherwise I would have took the video and edited it out. But I usually braid the hair and I put oil in each section of the braids, and then I rub it into the scalp, that way to make sure it's going into the scalp. So the first one I'm using is a Model Feather Twist. It comes looped over, so it's almost like putting two in your hair each time you put one in. So I'm slowing this video down so you can see how I'm looping the hair in. So what I'm doing is grabbing both strands and pulling it through. And you see there's a loop. I take both strands and pull it through the loop one time, twist it, and then pull it through again. And then I'm just scooting it up so it can be tighter and it won't come loose later. But I'll show you several ways of putting this in, especially once I get to the front. I do it a little different. But I'm going to do it again. Just pull the top of the hair, grab it through the loop, and then twist it again through the loop. So both hairs being pulled twice through the same loop. So here you're just going to continue along the braid and finish the row. This hair is pretty easy as far as pulling the loops through. You don't have those small loops like you do with some hair. So I'm just going to continue across the braid. I don't put my braids too close because I don't really pull my hair up and I don't like a whole lot of hair in my head. But if I want to be able to pull it up, or if I'm doing a client, normally I will braid the hair different to go upward. But as far as this way, it's not really a pull-up style, so I pretty much just space it out so that way I can have a normal amount of crochet in. Now I'm going to show you how to do the front of the hair. I take the crochet needle down, and it's crucial that you do it down because when you do it up, it kind of makes the crochet stand up. But this time I take the loop through one time instead of two times. And what that does, it just makes it, since these are double, it just makes it more natural looking. So I only do that with the first two, maybe about two crochets from the front, and then I go back to putting it in double again. So here you can see I'm in the front again, and I take the crochet needle down, pull the crochet upward, and then I only pull the hair through the loop one time. Now here's a third way you may do the front if you want your hair to have a little body standing up. So this time you see I pull one loop through and instead of two. And this if you want more height in your hair, you can do this more so in the front or across all the braids in the front. It'll make your braids stand up a little higher. But I prefer for the front to take both loops through one time. So that's how I'm going to finish off the rest of the front of the hair. forgot to mention the colors that I'm using are 1B, 30 in the middle row, and 27 on the top. So I had to buy 3 packs of 3 different colors. They don't make them where they come all together. And finally, I'm using the Style Factor edge control to lay my hair down on the front. So all I'm doing is just rubbing all the hair down one direction, and then I go in and then do the swoop. And you have to be careful when you use edge control, because if you use oil in your hair, normally when I put the oil on, I put it on in the scalp part. I try not to get it on the edges, because as soon as it mixes with the edge control, that's what turns it white. But I like this one because this one doesn't really turn white, and even though all of them turns white with the oil, but this one doesn't really turn white if you apply it without any oil. But you can see in my hair, the part where I put the oil, that's where it's trying to turn white at. But all you have to do is go in with a wet rag or a little bit of water and rub the whiteness off, and then that's what makes it go away. That pretty much finalizes how I install this look of crochets. I will put all the information in the description box, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment and I will reply. See you in the next video.